Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I am working on a Valentine tabletop decor today, and I hope that you will join me. For this project, you are going to need 3 of these 6x6 tabletop decor signs from the Dollar Tree. I have the black Halloween signs that I will be using. I also have this jumbo sticker. These are wall stickers from the Dollar Tree, and if you get one sheet you get 3 designs, and very pretty heart designs. You will also need some paint. I have this fuchsia color here, I have black, and I have white. You will also need some embellishments. I have a bunch of hearts in all different colors and designs. I will use one of these for my projects, and these are felt. You can use whichever hearts you want. I also have some wood cutouts. This one says love, and it comes in 3 different colors. I have the red, the natural, and the pink. I also have this one that says kiss me. You will also need your glue and any other embellishments that you want to add to your project. And I will let you know if we need any additional supplies to complete our project. The first thing we want to do is to remove the hanger on the back. If you plan on using it as a tabletop sign like I am, you don't need that. Now if you want to hang up your sign on the wall, then go ahead and leave that on. And then the next thing you want to do is to remove this paper on the front, and just peel that off. I removed all the paper, and I removed all the sticky stuff off of here, and I took the label off. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint this black here. I think that I will go over the edging on here, and I'm going to use some carbon chalk paint. I have finished painting my blocks. I did the sides and the top, so they all match all the way around. Now I want to do a trim around the edge of my blocks in this pink colored paint that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. It is more fuchsia than pink, I think. You know, I can't really tell because it doesn't have a name here. But I don't know, that's the number it came with, if that helps. So let me do that. I just have a skinny brush. I don't want anything too bold. I just want like a simple line. I'm not sure how this is gonna show up, but I'm gonna give it a try. I don't think this is gonna work. Look at that. Let's see. I do have a paint pen. Let me try the paint pen. That might work much better. I grabbed my paint pen. This is from Dollar Tree, and it is pink. So I did give it a good shake. So let's try this one. Look at that. I like this. It is working really well. Look at that. So if you have the Dollar Tree paint pens, they work really well on chalk paint. And I'm going to go ahead and outline this, and I think that I will go over it once this first layer dries. I'm going to go ahead and put a second coat on there. I finished the outlines on all my blocks. Look at that, how cute, right? So I did 2 layers of the paint, but then I went back over one more time just to even out all my lines, you know, so it's not all wobbly looking. But I like it. It is really cute. I love the bright pink on here. So I think I'm ready for the next step. Again, I bought these jumbo stickers. They're like the wall decals. Look at that. I'm sorry, it's got the metallic on there. So let me cut this out so I can show you. See there? They're heart decals. They're really cute. And then these, they are from the Dollar Tree, so I'm sure you've seen them, but they're very cute. I'm going to go ahead and use this and put it on my box, and I'm going to go ahead and center each one. And you get 3 stickers per, I don't know what you call this label. Package? It's not really a package, is it? But oh, look at that, it's embossed. It like shows up right here, really cute. And I'm just gonna eyeball this and center it on here. And it is quite sticky, so you don't have to worry about adding extra glue. And there we go. And just put that on there. Look at that, how cute. It's very cute already. I like it. Now you can embellish it even further if you like, but I think this one looks really well. So let me put that aside and get the next one. And all 3 hearts, they all coordinate. It is really cute. And then put this one on here too. Look at that. Very cute. And then the last one. Well, of course you can use these hearts on your wall if you like. You know, put it wherever you want. But I thought it would look awesome on a little tabletop block. This way I can move my blocks around wherever I want. And I can arrange it in any fashion I want. But look at that. That one's cute. And then there's that one. And then here's the third one. You see, it's simple and absolutely gorgeous. Let me turn this so it doesn't glare too much at us. Let me prop it up. No, that didn't work. Let me use my paint. Look at that, how cute. Ah, there we go. Get all 3 in the frame for you. I think that it is absolutely gorgeous on a black background or any dark background. Look at that. Adorable. I love it. Well, I hope you like this project and that you give it a try. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.